Joining me now, Trivariate Research's Adam Parker, a CNBC contributor. It's good to have you here. I'm glad you were able to do this for us. What are your thoughts? Worse than expected, clearly, I'm sure, last night. But now what? Because you've been a little tepid on this market anyway.
Yeah, look, we outlined in the outlook in January 1st that we thought, tariffs were in the price, that the market would be down and volatile. And then when you and I talked earlier in the week, it's like, you asked me point blank, is in the price? I said no, and then we had a weird, awkward pause. I'd love to get bullish at the bottom, right? But I'm convinced that I need to see a couple of things. One, I need to see the guidance for Q2, and I can't understand why any CEO of a big company would guide optimistically when they report in April for the July earnings. And then two, I need to see that stock behavior you and I both love, which is company guides down and the stock doesn't go down. And so until we get that, I think it's going to be skewed to the negative. I mean, what you see, obviously, the last 20 minutes of trading, there's tons of levered ETFs and all kinds of stuff that it causes an unwind. So I think it's just too early to take a ton of risk right now.
I mean, you are pricing in a lot of negativity already. I mean, what is a CEO going to say next week or the week after and following that that's really going to surprise us at this point? And their stocks have already corrected some 20 to 30, if not more %.
I think it just depends on how much people believe the disconnect between the current earnings and GDP need to be trued up. GDP expectations are a lot lower. Earnings have come down only a little bit. And, it's funny. I was talking to a buddy who pair trades semis today saying, is the right call long companies that report later in the earnings season and short those that report earlier? Like, maybe I can arbitrage the fact that the ones reporting earlier get punished more. Like, I think people are really concerned about the guidance and the implied guidance for the second half of the year. I don't think it's all in the prices yet, Scott, because I just think it's too uncertain about the growth trajectory. I know we were together election night. I heard your comments to Ashley, and I agree. There was a lot of optimism. Our note that day was buy the election and sell the inauguration, because I think the hard work is the first 6 months after the inauguration. I want to be optimistic and say we're ultimately going to get to talking about taxes, talking about less regulation, lower rates, as Anastasia said earlier, could be good for housing and all that pathway for multiples. But right now, I don't see how any company is going to surprise on the revenue guidance. And I think the revenue is what matters right now for outperforming.